Is your boy Smart Trade Academy. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending your time zone. Yes, I promise you guys on my last video that I'm going to teach you guys how to trade fundamental trade news without any loss. I'm going to teach you guys how to turn $100 to $1,000. I mean to $100,000 trading only US news. What I will talk here, I will give you a strategy that you cannot find on YouTube. I will give you a secret that your trading mentor haven't give you. Just watch this video to the end. Please like this video, subscribe this video, and share this video. Yes, if you like what I'm doing and you feel that this video is giving you value, like and subscribe now so that YouTube will recommend this video to others. Now let us go to the business. You know, in fundamental trading, it's very difficult to trade and make profit, most especially newbies. There is people that trade fundamental retrace back, while there is people that enter trade immediately when the trade starts. Now, what am I telling you guys here is this. First of all, how do you make money in trading fundamental? This is question you are going to ask yourself. Now, most of the times, your technical analysis fed you when news come. It hits and even close all your profit you have already made. That is why some professional traders advise you to close your trade before any big event. But guess what? Someone like us, we don't run for big events. Rather, we enter trade during big event. Now, how do you trade fundamental? Let me bring it down. I don't want this video to be so long. Now, in trading fundamental, I told you last time, the last video I dropped, I told you that anytime you see news is coming, if the news is coming down, know that the news is going to go up. Like for instance, we trade JBP CPI this morning. This is GBP CPI. Immediately is around 15 minutes left. This news starts coming down. On my group, I told them that this news they should buy on 700. That this news is a buy. Immediately is 700. This is the candle of the news. This is the candle of the news. The news shoot up. But this thing is not going to give us much profit because sometimes it fails. Now, the question is how do we trade safely and make profit? Now, bring just $100 out. That is the first thing. First tax, bring $100 out and keep it. Secondly, find a broker that have at least 1,000 leverage or 2,000 leverage. Now, how are you going to use this money? Divide this money by 6, which is if you divide $100 by 6, you should be getting around 16.50 dollar. That is 16.50 cents. That is what you'll be getting because 16 times 16 times 6 is approximately 90 something dollars. When you add 16.50, it should be giving you around $99 if I'm not mistaken. Now, what you will do for me, register two brokers. Register two brokers. When you register two brokers, if news is coming, this is what you are going to do in news. For instance, news is coming by 9 p.m. This is 8:45. I mean 8:49. What you will do for me, you deposit $16 in this account. Deposit $16 this account. Now, if that news want to come, immediately is the news left, let's say, um 40 seconds before the event, or even 20 seconds before the news, before the release of the news, enter buy this side, enter sell this side. One is going to move well, while one you are going to lose the account, but you are going to make a very big profit in the one that move. Now, how do you protect your capital when the news is coming? Because of rejection, there is some news that do reject. On this, you practice this strategy. Mostly practice it on US news only, or Euro news, or AUD news. Why I say practice it on this news is because they have SAU USD, SAU Euro, and the SAU AUD. All those there is some brokers that have those space in their brokers. So if you find out those brokers that have those space, this is what you are going to do. Only trade gold. If gold, for instance, move just 10 pips, let me go to gold. If gold move just 10 pips, let's say gold is from here. This is 2020. Let's say 2020. Let's say 2027, to 20. Let's say 2020. Yes, 2020 to 2030, you get 10 pips on gold, even if you use 0.1. Now, in this direction, is hardly you see gold when news is coming reject completely 5 pips. What are you going to do? If you are using $16 as capital, now what you will do for me is this: you are going to use that $16 to enter only 4 trade on gold. 4. Don't enter more than 4 trade, or even enter 3 trades on gold. Even if self there is a rejection, it's not going to hit you. You will still make profit. Now, set your profit 15 pips. For instance, you enter gold, the market is coming at 22.20. You enter that gold at 22.20. Set your take profit as 22.30. Set your take profit at 22.35, not 22.30. 15 pips. The lowest news that will spike, that will go up, the lowest will reach 12 pips. At least each movement must reach 15 or 20 pips on gold. So now you are going to lose the other $16 in the other account. Why this account? You are going to make $15 times by 3. I don't know whether you people are getting this. You are going to make $15 times by 3. Some people will think that this is a gambling, but this is a real strategy that will make you turn even $10 to $1,000 within some months. Don't just be greedy. Don't be greedy. Practice this. Now, if you are getting something on this video, if you have not liked it, please like and subscribe so that I will give you guys other details on this thing. Now let's go to yesterday event. We have news yesterday. Yes, we have news. I think this is the news we have yesterday. Yes, this is the news. From here, the news move up from, it jump up from 13 to here, which is 21, which is almost 10 pips. That is where the news jump. Like NFP and CPI, some of them they jump 50 pips. Some of them they jump 50 pips. Then what again? Very important thing you have to do on this strategy is this. Don't be greedy. Number one, I have said it before. Always close on short, always set take profit. That is what is going to minimize your greediness. And secondly, enter your trade 40 seconds before the news. Let's say the news is by 1:30. Enter your trade 1:29.40 seconds. That is what you are going to be used to enter this news. If you have two phones, that is better. If you have one phone and PC, is also better. If you have only one phone, you can still do it. It doesn't take a minute to switch from this account to this account. If you want to sell, buy gold on this one, sell gold on this one. Now, which app are you going to use to calculate your time? That is on seconds. You are going to download floating app. Let me show you guys the app. You are going to download this app. Go to Google Play Store and download this app. It's called Floating Club. Download the app. Once you download the app, then you are good to go. Try this, and you are going to make money. You will never lose in any event again. Any news, you can never lose your money again trading forex news. If you practice this, yes. Sometimes if you are if you have if you are a greedy person, you can feel to take all your margin, to enter with all margins, because sometimes news jump. But the risk of taking all margin is this: if the news reject, you are going to lose both accounts. But if you didn't take all margin, like I said, $16, you enter only 3 trade, highest 4 trade. Even if there is a rejection, even if there is 3 pips rejection, and in good, 3 pips, 3 times 3 is 9. You only get drawdown of $9. Then the news will come back and you will make profit. But if you use all your margins, maybe you use something like a 50%, let's say 80% of your margin. When the news draw down, you will lose the account and you lose the other account. That is the risk management. So I think I will end this video here. I will end the video here. If you have any question on this video, you can ask. If you have any question, then I will drop the group link on the group link is going to be on the first comment of this video. If you want to join our group, free single group, you will join the group. You will be getting direction of the news. This is how I make money trading news. Yes. In the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to predict news with investing.com and the Forex Factory to know the direction of news. But practice this, at least test this for complete 1 month and give me the results. Don't be a forex loser, be a forex gainer. Instead of you to lose $100 trading forex in a month, it's better you make $100 without any loss in a month. So I will end this video, and mind you that it's not only it's not only it's not must that you will use $100 to start this. I just use $100 as a big I say as a reasonable capital, like that. You can use $10 to start this. When if you want to use $10, enter one trade this side, enter one trade this side. If even if say that e move 15 pips, you make profit of at least you will make profit of $10. Yes, if you move 15 pips, you make profit of $10. If you move 20 pips, you will make profit of $20. You will lose the other $10 in the other account. I mean, $10 in the other account. If you use $10, $5 each, enter one trade this side, one trade this side. Very simple. You will make money. There is no how. It's hardly, I repeat it, it's hardly you see a news that come reject 5 pips. So if you need some brokers that have this livery 1 to 2,000, 2 to 3,000, join the group. We are going to give you many brokers, because another thing in this, before I end this video, is this: you have to do this with broker that pay um negative balance protection. Yes, don't do it with broker that didn't pay negative balance protection, because if you do it with broker that pay negative balance protection, with it that did not pay negative balance protection, if you trade and they give you negative balance, you cannot trade with that broker again. That is the secret. That is the reason why you should join the group. The group is not a paid group, it's just free group. So I will end this video here. Thank you guys for watching the video.